Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the market report for 12/11/2024. There's a lot of talk, a lot of scuttlebutt going around, especially in the real estate community, of the ground shifting underneath us, of the market slowing up, and the shift finally happening. The numbers are kind of mixed on that. This week, we've got about as many downs as we've got ups. You know, people still got to make moves. Homes are still being sold. I think we are going to see a big shift in appreciation. I think appreciation is going to slow up. We're showing about 7% rolling 12 months appreciation. This past week, we actually saw, if we go median sale price to median sale price from last year, this year we saw the last 7 days median sale price of $233,750 versus last year at this time $244,950, showing about 5% depreciation this week. We also saw a little bit of slow up on the days on market, which actually means it sped up. So the market got a little quicker. It's actually showing faster than last year. We saw average days on market go down 14, but median went up 2, and we've got it really close. Average days on market's 21, median days on market's 15, which historically is an extremely fast market. And it's actually just a little bit faster than last year when it was at 31 average, 12 median. Active available homes still getting stripped, still not piling up inventory, which is what we would want to see for a true slowdown and true depreciation in price, is when we get a lot of supply, and we're just not seeing that. Homes are still selling down 1% week over week, up 17% versus last year. New homes list came in up 9% week over week, down 19% year over year. Solds came in up 16% week over week, down just 2% year over year. Pendings were up 14% week over week and up 16% year over year. We already went over the median sale price, days on market, and the last 12 months sold. We saw 4,407 homes sold versus last year at this time it was 4,253 over the last 12 months. So showing the market showing about 4% up from last year on homes sold, which is showing we've got to get to what we need for buyer demand based on homes sold. We need 2,203.5 homes to have 6 months inventory. We're well short of that. We got 628 active available homes for sale. So we're showing about 3.5 buyers per listing still. So the market's still moving. It may be slowing up. It may be shifting. We'll see. Only time's going to tell. I report. You decide. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.